Good morning everybody. Today I take your mental math class. In the previous day I have already completed chapter 36 till chapter 36. Today I start exercise 37. Chapter exercise 37. Now I do 37. Fill in the blanks boxes. A. Find 3 by 5 of an hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 5 hours equal to 60 into 3 by 5. 5 2 is 6, 12 is 60, 12 3 is 36. So 36 minutes. Okay. B. Put greater, less than or greater than. 1 by 2 blank 3 by 9. 2 by 9 into 9 LCM 18. 18 divided by 2 9. 18 divided by 9 2. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 into 9 9. 2 into 9 18. 3 by 9 equal to 9 into 2 18. 3 into 6. That is 9 by 18. 6 by 18. So 9 by 18 is greater than 6 by 18. That is 1 by 2 greater than 3 by 9. Symbol you put greater than. Cross multiplication में होगा 1 into 9 9. 2 into 3 6. So 9 is greater than 6. That is greater than. C. Fill in the box. 9 by 14. Denominator 70. Numerator 70. What is numerator? That is 14 into 5 70. That is 9 into 5 45. Okay. Find HCF of 18, 24 and 72. That is 18, 1 ja 18, 6, 6 3 ja 18, 6 72, 6 1 ja 6, 12 6 2. That is 6, HCF 6. Okay. What is the perimeter of square of length 15 meter? Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into one side. All sides are equal square. So 4 into side equal to perimeter. 4 into 15 meter equal to 60 meter. That is 60 meter answer. F. How many quarters are there in 4 1 by 4? 1 by 2. That is 4 1 by 2 divided by quarters 1 by 4. So 4 2 ja 8, 9 by 2 into reciprocal 4 by 1. That is 2 2 ja 4, 9 2 ja 18. Okay? Acha. G. Reduce 35 by 19 to its lowest term. 35 by 19. That is 35 by 19. 7 5 ja 35. 7 7 ja 49. 5 by 7. So answer 5 by 7. H. Which is greater? 7 by 8 or 11 by 12? That is 7 by 12. 7 by LCM of 8 and 12 equal to 24. That is denominator 84 होना होगा. 8 7 into 3. 7 by 8 equal to 8 into 3. The 7 into 3 21 by 24. 11 by 12 12 into 2. 11 into 2. That is 22 by 24. That is 22 by 24 greater than 21 by 24. So 11 by 12 equal to greater. Okay. Find the LCM of 3 16 and 48. Division method. 3 1 ja 3. 3 16. 3 16 ja 48. 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16. 2 8 ja 16. 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. That is LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 2 ja 12. 8 2 ja 16. 16 3 ja 48. That is LCM equal to 48. J. 1 by 10 of a class of 50 students are absent. How many students are present? 45. That is students. Total students 50. Absent 50 into 1 by 10. That is 5. That is total students 50. 50 minus 5, 45. So present 45. Okay. Exercise 37. Exercise 38. Fill in the blank boxes. If 1/7 of my money is rupees 35, what is the whole amount? That is, suppose the whole amount is 1, that is 1/7. 1 into 1/7 equal to 1/7 of money is 35. 1 into 1/7 equal to 35. So 1 equal to rupees 35 into 7, rupees 245. That is answer 200. The whole amount of money is 245. B. Reduce 122 by 109 to its lowest form. 128 190. 64 2 ja 120. 96 ja 192. 32 ja 64. 96 ja 48 ja 96. 16 2 ja 32 and 24 2 ja 48, 8 2 ja 16, 12 2 ja 14, 4 2 ja 8, 6 2 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3, that is 2 by 3 lowest term. C, find the product of 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 30 into 7 210. Okay. D, is 720 divisible by 11? No. देखने से होता है 7 11 जा 6 1 जा 6 11 जा 66 and divisible not divisible. E, what is 5 by 7 of a week? 5 by 7 into 7, 7 days of a week, days. So 1 week equal to 7 days, 5 by 7 into 7, 5 days. Okay. F, divide the reciprocal of 1 by 9 by the reciprocal of 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 1 by 9 equal to 9. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 equal to 3. There 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. 3. Reduce 25 by 125 to its lowest form. 25 by 25. 5 5 ja 25. 5 25 ja 125. 5 5 ja 25. So 1 by 5. 8. 7 by 9. 63, denominator 60, numerator 7 9 ja 63, so 7 7 ja 49. I, 4 20ths of a kg is, 4 20ths mean 4 by 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, so 4 by 20 into 1000, 0 0 2 5 ja 10, 50, 52 ja 54 ja 54 ja 200. Okay, so 200 gram. Okay, put less than or greater than equal to 50 by 19 to 1 by 90, that is 50 by 90, 92 is 38, 39 by 90, that is 50 by 90 is greater than 39 by 90, so sign होगा greater than. Exercise 39. Convert into improper fraction. 2 1 by 3. 2 3 is 6 1 7 by 3. B 5 2 is 3. 5 3 is 15 to 17 by 3. 4 3 by 4. 4 4 is 16. 19 by 4. 3 1 by 9. 3 9 is 27 1 28 by 9. 2 5 is 7. 7 2 is 14 5 19 by 7. Okay. Convert into mixed fraction. That is 3 by 8 by 3. 8 by 3, 2 by 3, mixed fraction. 18 by 11, 18 by 11, 1 7 by 11, 1 7 by 11. 43 by 15, 43 by 15, 2 13 by 15. Okay, 103 by 18, that is 12 7 by 8. 771 by 12, 71 by 12, 5 11 by 12. 5 till 5 to the 60, 170, 71 by 12. Okay. Worksheet exercise 39, question number F to J and question number P to T given in class as homework. Okay. Exercise 40. Fill in greater than or less, that is put blank box में greater than or less than sign, that is 1 by 2 greater cross multiplication और जो 4 greater than. I do it rough में कर दिया है, so cross multiplication 4 2 तो greater than. 1 by 3 greater than 4 by 6, 1 by 3 greater than 2 by 6, 1 by 6, that is 2 by 6 greater, so greater than. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 equal to 8 by 12, 3 by 4 equal to 9 by 12, that is less than. 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja 9, less than. 3 7, 2 3, that is 7 2 ja 14, 3 3, less than. 7 8, I will do it here all this maths. 7 by 8, 1 by 3, that is greater than. 7 by 8, 1 by 3, that is 7 by 8 equal to 21 by 24. 3 8 ja denominator equal, 3 8 ja 24, 3 7 ja 21, 1 by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 8, that is 21 is greater than 8, so it greater than. F, 3 by 5, 3 by 4, that is 3 by 5, that is 5 20, 5 4 ja 20 or 3 4 ja 12, 4 into 5 20, 3 5 ja 15. Okay, so 12 is less than 15, that is 15 less than. G, 4 by 9, 7 by 10, that is 4 by 9, 40 by 90, 10, 4 into 9, 9 into 10, 90, 4 into 10, 40, 10 into 9, 90, 7 into 9, 63, that is 40 less than 63, that is less than. H, 3 by 8 blank 9 by 16, that is 3 by 8 equal to 16, LCM 16, so denominator 16, 8 into 2 16, 3 into 2 6, or 16 1 is 16, 9 1 is 9, so 6 less than 90, 6 less than 9, so sign होगा less than. So a worksheet exercise 40 question number 1 to T given in class as homework. So 41, fill in the blanks boxes. 3 by 5 50 blank box, that is 5 into 10, 3 into 10 30. B 13 by 15, that is 13 2 ja 26, 15 2 ja 13 2 ja, so 15 2 ja 30, 15 2 ja 30, so 13 2 ja 26. C 2 by 7 42 blank में 7 6 ja 42, 6 2 ja 12, 7 by 8 35 blank 40 blank box, so 8 5 ja 40, 7 5 ja 35. E 3 by 11, that is 11 into 3 33, so 3 into 3 9. F 5 by 16, I'll do here details. 16 into 3 16 into 3 48, so 5 into 3 15, 3 by 5 50, 5 into 10 50, 3 into 10 30, 4 by 13, that is 16 4 4 3 4 13 is 52, or 4 4 is 16, that is I do all the sums details here. Okay, worksheet exercise 40 question number I to N, that is given in class as homework. Exercise, I hold the page once again, 2 or 2 seconds, 3 or 2 seconds. Okay, so now I complete chapter 37 to 41. You must practice this at home and do the homework at home. I request you to do the homework at home. Okay, thank you. Next